What's up guys, AI Tech Think here. Today we need to talk about the next big tech quake. Remember when the gig economy exploded in 2009? Now we're watching that world collapse, this time thanks to AI. The ground is shifting again, and the epicenter is Google. Google's rolling out AI tools that don't just assist, they replace. This isn't sci-fi, it's happening right now quietly, while we're busy with our daily grind. If you're in software, design, marketing, or data science, you need to see this. We're not talking about automating a few tasks. We're talking about entire workflows and job descriptions being absorbed by a handful of powerful products. In this video, we'll dive into 7 Google products that are set to upend the tech job market. We'll break down what each one does, who's at risk, and why this is a wake-up call for everyone in tech. Let's get into it. First up, Google Firebase Studio. Building an app used to mean weeks of setup, coding, and collaboration between front-end, back-end, and UI/UX specialists. Firebase Studio condenses all of that into a single text prompt. Describe the app you want, say a social media platform for pet owners, and it generates a full-stack, production-ready application in minutes. It handles authentication, data storage, APIs, and even the database schema. The work that took a team weeks is now done instantly. For developers who specialized in rapid prototyping or setting up new projects, this is a direct threat. Why hire a freelancer to build an MVP when you can just describe it to an AI and deploy? The tool democratizes app development, but in doing so it devalues the skills needed to get a project off the ground. Front-end and back-end devs, especially those focused on frameworks or quick launches, are in the crosshairs. Firebase Studio automates the getting started phase, architecting and deploying entire systems from a prompt. It's not just a code assistant, it's a system architect, project manager, and full-stack dev in one. For businesses, the barrier to entry for digital products just dropped. For developers, the bread and butter work of setting up projects is being commoditized. The value is shifting from how you build to what you build and why. If your job is the 0 to 1 phase of app creation, Firebase Studio is a flashing red warning light. The future is about solving complex problems and building unique features. The rest is being automated. Next, Google AI Search Overviews. For years, content creators and businesses produced articles and guides, and Google sent them traffic. That traffic paid the bills. Now, Google's AI gives users direct, synthesized answers at the top of search results. No clicks needed. It scrapes top articles, summarizes key info, and presents it instantly. Users get answers without visiting your site. For creators, that means lost traffic, ad revenue, and affiliate sales. The incentive to create high-quality content is vanishing. This isn't a tweak, it's an extinction event for traditional SEO and content-based business models. SEO strategists, content writers, and affiliate marketers are all at risk. Why pay for SEO when Google just scrapes your content and keeps users on its own page? The open web's business model is under attack. Google is becoming an answer engine, not a search engine. The value that was spread across millions of sites is being consolidated by Google. The skills of keyword research and link building are losing their power. The path forward? Build a direct audience, create unique experiences, or get left behind. For most informational and commercial content, the writing's on the wall. AI Overviews is a paradigm shift, leaving digital careers in its wake. Adapt or risk being erased from the web's new landscape. The SEO game has changed forever. Let's talk design. UI/UX was a booming field, until Google Stitch. Stitch lets you describe a screen, like a modern mobile-optimized checkout page, and instantly generates a fully responsive, interactive UI. It matches your brand's style, handles design systems, and produces code-ready components. What took a junior designer a day now takes seconds. Product managers can cycle through dozens of layouts without ever calling a designer. The foundational, time-consuming parts of UI design are automated. Freelance and junior designers, especially those focused on wireframes or small projects, are most at risk. The need for large design teams to produce screens is shrinking fast. Designers must evolve from pixel pushers to curators, strategists, and user researchers. The value shifts from how you design to why you design. Startups can now generate professional screens without hiring a designer. The craft isn't dead, but the way it's practiced is changing forever. Mastering Figma shortcuts? Less valuable. Mastering user psychology and prompt engineering? Essential. Stitch is a tool for rapid iteration, and a threat to the entry-level and mid-tier design market. The future of design is about vision, not just execution. Now, the creator economy, my world. Building a channel used to mean a team writers, editors, designers, strategists. Google's AI Studio, powered by Gemini, is a Swiss Army knife that replaces that entire team. Start with an idea, and AI Studio helps you write scripts, suggest visuals, and generate B-roll. Need a thumbnail? Describe it, and AI Studio creates options instantly. Want a TikTok clip? It finds the best moments and reformats them for you. It can even build chatbots trained on your content to engage your audience 24/7. For solo creators, it's empowering. For freelancers and agencies, it's a direct threat. Video editors, script writers, thumbnail designers, social media managers, AI Studio automates their core functions. Why pay hundreds for editing or design when AI does it in minutes? The skills that were once distinct professions are now just features in a software suite. The demand for human intervention drops, except at the very high end. The future, a single creator managing an entire brand from one dashboard. AI Studio is a blueprint for content creation with far fewer people. It's powerful, and it's rewriting the rules of the creator economy. Let's shift to research and analysis. In fields like academia, law, and finance, junior staff spend hours reading and summarizing documents. Google's Notebook LM, powered by Gemini Pro, automates this entire workflow. Upload your documents, reports, transcripts, notes, and Notebook LM becomes an expert on your material. Ask complex questions, and it answers using your sources, citing exact passages. It can summarize, create study guides, or draft presentations from your materials. It's like having a research assistant who never forgets a detail. The roles at risk: research assistants, junior analysts, paralegals, anyone whose job is information retrieval and synthesis. Why have a junior consultant spend a week on research when Notebook LM does it in minutes? The entry-level rung in knowledge industries is disappearing. The skill set is shifting. It's about asking the right questions and critically evaluating AI output. Notebook LM saves hundreds of hours, but it's replacing the jobs that launched many careers. The grunt work of research is being automated out of existence. The future is about strategic thinking, not just information gathering. AI isn't just assisting, it's absorbing entire job functions. Now, the once safe field of data science. Machine learning engineers and data scientists built the AI models that power the world. Google AutoML aims to make much of that expertise obsolete. With AutoML, you upload your data, describe your goal, and the platform handles everything. Data cleaning, feature engineering, model selection, and tuning. What took weeks now takes hours, no coding required. Business analysts can now build models that rival human experts. The bread and butter work of corporate data science, classification, regression, standard models, is being automated. ML engineers and data scientists focused on standard models are at risk. The demand for technical implementation is dropping. The value is in problem formulation and strategic interpretation. The data scientist becomes a strategist, not just a coder. Advanced research still needs humans, but the bulk of routine work is being commoditized. AutoML turns hard-won technical skills into a feature. The field is being fundamentally reshaped by automation. Adapt, or risk being left behind. Let's talk creative visuals. For years, if you needed an image or video, you hired a pro or bought stock footage. Google's Imagen 2 and Veo are text-to-image and text-to-video models that change everything. Describe what you want: an astronaut on Mars, a drone shot at sunset, and get studio-quality visuals in seconds. The quality is skyrocketing, soon indistinguishable from real photos or footage. For agencies, why pay for stock or a photo shoot when you can generate exactly what you need? Stock photographers, videographers, and graphic designers are directly threatened. Even video editors are impacted, as custom clips replace stock footage. The workflow for ads and websites is now a one-person job. Companies like Getty and Shutterstock face an existential threat. The future for visual artists is in unique styles, live-action direction, or prompt engineering. The middle ground, commercial design and stock content, is being automated away. Imagen and Veo are automated content studios, not just tools. There you have it, 7 Google products, each a wrecking ball for a different industry. Developers, designers, marketers, data scientists, no one is untouched. This isn't fear-mongering, these tools are here now and they're changing everything. The value of many skills is being questioned or erased by automation. The question isn't if AI will impact your job, but how soon. Ignoring this shift isn't an option. The skills that matter today might be commodities tomorrow. The future belongs to those who can leverage these tools and shift from execution to strategy. Let us know in the comments. Which tool is the biggest disruptor? Like, subscribe and stay tuned for more deep dives. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.